Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hello ma'am and friends who watch my video. My name is Immanuel Salamanng, majoring in Civil Engineering, State Polytechnic of Semarang. This video I will explain about the heavy equipment, backhoe and loader. Let's enjoy! First, I will explain the meaning of a backhoe. Backhoe is a large machine for digging and moving earth that consists of a large bucket on the end of an arm attached to a vehicle. Next, the backhoe parts. Number 1. Arm. Arm is to swing the bucket so it can go up and down. Number 2. Bucket cylinder to move the arm. Number 3. Bucket for earth dredging. Number 4. Bucket cylinder for moving the bucket. Number 5. Boom. Main lever to move the arm up and down. Number 6. Boom cylinder to move the boom. Number 7. Shoe. A cane that attached directly to the ground. Number 8. Tracker, wheel for excavator. Number 9. Engine, excavator drive machine. Number 10. Cab, where the operator controls the excavator. Types of buckets. Number 1. Digging bucket. Digging bucket is used to dig a variety of materials. Number 2. Slope finishing bucket. This is suitable for leveling the ground because it is wide and flat. Number 3. Rock bucket. Rock bucket is used to crush the material. The structure is strong, equipped with sharp teeth, suitable for mining work or locations with very hard materials. Trapezoid bucket. This V-shaped useful for making drains or pipes. The bottom of the bucket is useful for adding depth, while the right and left sides are for increasing width. Number 5. Reaper bucket. Reaper bucket is shaped like a tooth or like a long nail, usually used to dig very hard materials with a deep penetration. For example, landfill with large rocks. Number 6. Breaker or hammer bucket. Breaker can be installed if you want to break rock, concrete, or other hard materials in the ground. This tool thus functions as a hammer or material breaker, suitable for concrete structures, dam slopes. Next, I will explain the use of a backhoe. Number 1. Digging, dredging, and transporting various types of materials such as soil, mud, and rock. Number 2. Dredging the mud or sedimentation of river, lakes, and the banks of the jetty. Number 3. Dig ditches or other water channels. Number 4. Level and compact the soil. Number 5. Dismantling or destroying material. Number 6. Making a large hole, for example for attacking a pile or foundation road. Number 7. Helping mining activities. Number 8. Helping for forestry work. Earlier, we already knew about backhoes. Then we will enter into the topic loader. Loader is a tool for loading material that will be dumped into a dump truck to another location. Loader function. Loader functions can be used for jobs such as land clearing, land evictions, flattening the pile of material, transportation of material, scrape the soil surface, and finishing by smoothing or leveling the field of employment.
Loader parts. Number 1, front bucket. Number 2, bucket dump cylinder. Number 3, bucket lift arm. Number 4, cabin. Number 5, rear axle. Number 6, fuel tank. Number 7, lift cylinder. Number 8, front axle.
Loader productivity can be influenced by several things that can determine the work result of this include: Number 1, material type and condition. Number 2, bucket type and capacity. Number 3, range of loader movement areas. Number 4, loader cycle duration. Number 5, loader efficiency time.
How the loader works. Loaders work using a hydraulic system. The use of hydraulic power as very large power or force, so that it can be possible to dredge, transport large materials or objects.
How the loader works? Number 1, the tip of the bucket touch the surface of the ground or the material. Number 2, then the loader advances slowly like dredging until the material enters the bucket and moves down. Number 3, when the material has entered the bucket is lifted so that the material does not come out. Number 4, when loading and unloading, such as to unload the bucket onto the truck or the back of the truck, the loader moves forward and the arm and bucket are lifted until the bucket is the top of the truck. Number 5, then the bucket is slowly rotated downward until the material fills the truck. Number 6, after the bucket is empty, turn the bucket back up and back down slowly.
At the time of filling, there are 3 methods for loading the material from the loader into the truck, namely I-shaped loading, V-shaped loading, and pass loading.
Based on driving, number 1, loader driven by plural tractor. Number 2, loader driven by wheel tractor. The usefulness of the crawler tractor is mainly as: Number 1, the driving first the push, for example, bulldozer loader. Number 2, driving first for towing, for example, scraping, ship foot roller. Number 3, the driving for transportation means, for example, trucks. Number 4, the seats for other heavy equipment, for example, cranes.
Crawler tractor. Crawler tractor is needed if a large amount of friction is recurred between the wheels and the ground and get maximum power during working time. Because the crawler tractor cannot slip, but the speed is very low. The maximum speed of the crawler tractor is only about 4.5 km per hour. Generally, the crawler tractor is used to dig the land, for example, the crawler tractor. Number 2, wheel tractors. Wheel tractor is use inflated rubber tires. and their use is intended to obtain a greater speed than the crawler tractor, but the wheel tractor has less tractions than the crawler tractor.